Yes. Sorry for the interruption. We'll continue with it. This is CND.
Can we wait for 2 more minutes?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Actually, all are still logging in. So,
any questions you can ask?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question. My daughter is 2.5 years. She, when I used to taught how to write, she used to write mirror images.
Yes.
Is this a good? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes,
you are audible. But with the disturbance.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my daughter is 2.5. When she used to write, she copies my mirror images, not the exact what I am taughting him. She used to
Yes.
copy mirror images.
Yes.
And all the times when she used to work or handle her toys, she most of the time uses his left hand and works with right hand.
Okay.
She carry all his toys with left hand, and when she used to play with it, she uses right hand.
Okay. It is not a problem. It is a lack of
Okay.
little bit of concentration. With little guidance, you can teach the child how to write. With the formation, I given the pattern, how to draw,
Okay.
how to make little bit of brain gym. You will exercises. It will be easier for her to do it.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
You have to
Thank you,
start
ma'am.
with a very simple thing. First, you have to do it, then she will do. You don't directly give her to do it. It is not
No,
possible
ma'am.
at all.
She used to copy me. I have to do all the things in front of her, and she tries to copy me. She,
Yes.
whatever
You
I
are going
do,
to
she
make
used to
her sit
copy me.
aside, not in front of you.
Okay. She used to
Make her
sit
sit
in front
aside.
of me.
That is
Okay,
important.
she used to sit in front of
The
me.
concentration level within she will feel safe, and
Hmm.
how you are doing, because they visualize first.
Yes,
Then only
exactly.
they copy.
Okay.
You might be making her
Usually,
sit in front of you. That's why she had started drawing with a mirror image. It might be that
always
reason.
she said, "Mama, I cannot see what are you writing. Mama, I cannot able to see what I'm writing." So I said, "She sit in front of me." When she sat in front of me, she used to copy down what I have written in exactly the mirror image she used to write.
Okay.
She cannot write
No
more than
problem.
A and B,
You
but
will gradually go when you energize your brain with this small little exercises in a
okay,
fun
ma'am.
way. There are many
Okay, ma'am.
other exercises that you can do with your hands.
Hmm.
Little exercises, just pumping and breathing like this.
Hmm.
Children enjoy this very much. When your family do along with the child, they feel more comfortable. The bonding get more stronger.
Hmm.
The small exercises which we do with the child, we will do together.
Hmm.
That make them more confident. doing these all type of exercises. Or you have many children in the class, they see the children doing, so they will do it. But now we are at home, so we have to be the first trainer for the child.
Exactly.
You can do exercises like this also. 1, 2, 2, 1. Slowly you start like this. 2, 1, 2. Like this, you have to start with the child, making them do all these type of exercises. 2, 1, using both the hands, coordinatingly. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It seems very simple, but when you do it, you find it little bit difficult. If the child start doing little small exercises like this, their level of concentration level will improve, and you will see the drastic change in the child, because the mind is totally coordinating the hand, and the hand has all connection with the brain. Left and right, we are using both. We are balancing both the hemispheres. That is important. Good, bad.
Thank you.
Good, bad.
Bad.
Good,
Good,
bad. Now
bad. Good,
do it.
bad.
Good, bad. Good, bad.
Bad.
Good, bad. Good, bad.
Bad. Good, bad.
What do you have? Yeah, bad is this way.
Bad.
Good, bad. Good,
Bad.
bad.
Good, bad. Good,
bad,
bad. Good, bad. Good, bad. Good, bad.
Yeah.
Bad.
Little exercises, they will be engaged, they will be loving it. We have another exercise, it is known as rabbit hunt. This is your rabbit, right? Rabbit and a gun. Got it? This is your trigger. You have to hunt the rabbit. Move it. You're going to hunt the rabbit. You're hunting the rabbit, right? You have to put this should be straight. Only thumb movement should be there. Make it difficult using, using the thumb. You're hunting the rabbit, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This they will enjoy also. When the child be little bit slow, Carrie, I am not able to do. Your child will say, Mom, I can do. You will see the motivation between them. Okay, yes, we can do, and Mama is not able to do now. This will motivate them. Be a little bit slower in front of them, so that they get more motivated. Okay, they will do more exercise.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the best achievement.
मैम सब एक तरीके से, जैसे किसी का राइट चलता है, लेफ्ट चलता है, तो वो सभी के साथ एक जैसा हो सकता है क्या? पॉसिबल?
Yes. You have to use both the hands. कभी ये hand किया, कभी ये hand किया.
क्या?
Right? Good,
Right.
bad. Right?
Good, bad.
First try it on ourselves only, so that we'll come to know the difference if we are having any.
Difference.
So that we come to know what child is also feeling.
It's difficult for us now.
Yes.
First time hai, that's why.
Every age, I'm telling you, it is for every age.
It is for everyone, right?
Yeah.
No restrictions are there. To make it more in a fun and story way, you have to do this. Right? They love this actually. In this, you know what? The fine motor skills are being developed. They can hold the pencil. You're using your fingers. When you're moving your shoulders, your arm is strengthening. Gross motor skills are also getting. And the benefit, the biggest benefit, the brain is being active. Right?
Right.
We have to
Thank you.
stimulate the brain. We doesn't want to give at the speed is getting lower. No. Making brain gym, doing regular basis, this will energize your brain. Okay.
Okay.
There are many hand exercises also. Like this, you can. I can show here. Able to see?
Yeah, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
1,
1, 2,
3. A fist.
3.
Got it? This repetition, they will follow.
1.
They will remember. And they will do. This formation of repetition of the hand movement will give them the coordination in the body. How to move. It will release your stress also. One minute. Hand activities. I told you about it, how it is. Like this. You can use this. How to do. Any motion, any which make them little bit with the music. Any other activities you can do, which you can jump, you can skip, any activities. Yes. Yes. Your thumb is going wrong. These are walnuts. You have ball, anything, these are walnuts, okay? Yeah. You have to hold the walnut. Just rotate it. Okay? This will give the grip to hold a pencil like this. This will give the grip, the stand of the pencil. Look how it is going. Now with the left hand.
Left and right. Left,
Make it a little complicated.
right.
Hold it with both the hands, rotate it. One in a clockwise manner, other in an anti-clockwise manner. How it is good. What is happening? The fine motor skills are being developed, but one rhythm is there. One is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise. That is important.
Anti-clockwise.
Okay, one is going clockwise, other is going anti-clockwise. Right? The rhythm, they have to follow that. This will help them in the concentration level also. Okay? Little bit complicated more. Take 2. Rotate them in your hand.
Change the
Rotate.
place. Yes.
Okay? Rotate it. What you're getting it? Your
Muscles. Fine
muscles
muscles.
are doing more
Yes.
with hands. Okay? Any questions? You can do same with the pencils also. Pen, pencil. Ask them to rotate. Or make a fan over this, and we used to do like this. We used to like this, no? That will help. They will do it more fun also. Make any puppet on the pencil. They will love it. Doing this, playing with this. Then ask them to rotate the pencil with these fingers, okay? Another video, please.
आंटी मैम आज आवाज डिस्कनेक्ट हो रही है बाबा.
Maybe network issues.
डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. या
would request everyone to please put yourself on mute until you have to speak, so that it should be clear and audible.
You saw the video?
Yes.
Giving the vocabulary, how to memorize the words, giving the vocabulary to the child, forward, backward, in a fun manner. The getting the words, increasing the memory, giving the word. It is again being on the brain, we will get what we are doing. Simply we are pouring a water on in a glass. Explain them that it is a water we pour. It's simple. We stir it. Give a bowl and a spoon. Ask them to stir it. They will love it with the activity. Right? Use cooking technology. 1 mug, 1 teaspoon. We make a cake batter, right? And after 1 hour, what happened? It turns out to a beautiful cake. Right? What is that? It is a science between the cooking. Na? We have to measure each and everything and we have to make a cake, right? Using these small techniques at home will improve the maths also for the child. Do it and they will enjoy it. What is this? Spoon and fork? Everybody use at home? Ask them to lay like this. The pattern, follow the pattern. They will enjoy. You can do with both the hands, except the triangle. Everything is possible with both the hands. Use both the hands to make it. Lay like this, using both the hands. Give 4 spoons and 4 fork also. They will enjoy it, doing these activities, in which hand coordination, the pattern they follow through brain. What they see, what they visualize, right?
Not listen, ma'am. Any word?
Why? कुछ भी नहीं सुना? Hello.
Her voice is clear to us.
Maybe her
Yes.
network problem.
In this activity?
Clear.
Okay. Make a hand cutouts. What they will see on the table, they will do on the hand also. Put 2 fingers down. Teach them how to put like this. What we are doing? We are cycling the fingers. Right? What we are doing? Okay? Make them do subtraction, addition in this form. They will learn easily. Time management, they can learn easily in this activities. Or, this is known as hand, 8. Put your hand like this, make a 8 with this. Give a force to your fingers with your elbow like this. Give force. Now, watch through the hole of the 8. What is getting? Eye coordination we are getting? Hand and eye coordination? We have to look through this hole, okay? And then eye coordination and hand coordination is going together.
Yes.
It is going together.
Yes. Yes.
They will enjoy all these things and we are getting a purpose. They are energizing their brain. Okay, we give punishments to the child when they do something wrong. We give punishments, right? But from now we will not give punishment. We ask them to hold ear like this. अब बचपन में मुर्गा बनते थे ना कि काफी लोग जो सुनते थे thumb in front,
है तो बढ़िया होगा.
and the finger behind. Fingers behind. Okay.
वो भी लॉकडाउन में भी बहुत हो रहा है.
बहुत हो रहा है ना? Husbands तो नहीं बन रहे ना? Like this. More like this. Thumb front and fingers behind. Okay. अब उठक बैठक करनी है सबको इसके साथ.
उठक बैठक. चलो.
You have to take 15 setups.
3 or 15.
Yeah. 15. What is
5 or 150? How many?
5, or you can reduce to 5 also. Maximum is 15.
Maximum 15.
15, 1, 5.
Yes.
ये तो हमको सबको करना चाहिए रात को सोने से.
Seriously, it is good.
This is very good. You know what is happening to the earlobes?
Yes.
What is happening? It is getting pressed.
Yeah.
Pressure points. These are the pressure points of the brain. We pull it. When we sit, we pull it. We are getting pressure. Try it, you will get it. You follow this, you will see the results. The small exercises for the brain is really very good. Body के लिए तो अपन काफी कुछ करते ही हैं. थोड़ा कुछ brain को hand coordination के साथ will do.
Generally,
you will see the difference in the child. They will love it and they will do happily and they will force you. Chalo mama, we'll do it again. That is good if they will do in repetition. Now the last, the ball. 1 clap. Then increase. Where you want, they want to play. But hand coordination, finger coordination should be there. They can pass through your knee, anywhere they can pass. Like this, they can pass.
Madam,
anywhere. They should play with the ball. It is very good. The concentration level increases when they play with
ma'am,
the ball.
let's do.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it again, ma'am. Please do it again with ball exercise.
Yeah. Okay. Then 2 claps.
Okay.
They will throw a little bit higher for 2 claps.
Yes.
This arm and hand coordination will get more energized. You are feeling when you clap, you see the vibrations in your hand. This will keep your child engaged and it is benefit for them also. For you also and for children also. Any questions? Practice double doodle, the best way to energize your brain. It's the best brain teaser, I'm telling you. Make spirals, do anything with both the hands. Try to use this hand also. Dominate. Don't use only dominating hand. Use both the hands for the body coordination, brain coordination. Aarti ma'am is already perfect in this.
No, not at all. Like whenever somebody sees me now cutting with left hand, they are also surprised. How do you do that? I said even I don't know. It's my habit. Like I'm not completely lefty or completely righty. I'm a mixture of it.
Okay, ma'am.
So I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Back to Aarti ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very nice. Nice session.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, will you please stop the sharing of the screen? Sandeep, ma'am. You just have to stop share your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll get a full screen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Sandeep, ma'am, for sharing so many games and activities which will really, I'm sure, going to help you all at home. Please try
Yes,
with
ma'am.
yourself
Yes, yes.
also. It will improve
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
own body coordination also along with your brain. And this is the best
Right.
time to experience all these things at home, because whenever you are free, you don't understand what to do. So now you have so many things to do. And I think after the
Yes, ma'am.
completion of this
Exactly.
session, no, you will be far better than the teachers. That I make sure. And what the teachers are going to do in this school, no, you will be in a better position than the teachers. So you are able to handle your children in a better manner.
Right.
Right? Thank you so much, Sandeep ma'am.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
would you please mind introducing yourself, because even I did not introduce you. So please share your
Ma'am, I will share
experience.
with you.
Yes.
I am to with Aarti ma'am from last 2 years. I'm taking classes and the Lingua Voce only. I take Jolly Phonic, grammar. I also take brain gym classes for the kids. I conduct classes over here at my place, Pratap Nagar, Manik Bagh Road.
Yes. Anyone?
You do online classes also for brain gym. You do for brain gym. You do online classes also.
I have not yet started, but Aarti ma'am is just enforcing me to start brain gym classes.
Please start it.
Yes, you should, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have not yet started. This is my
Even-
first time, but I have done it with Aarti ma'am today. I've never taken online classes. First, we learn sharing.
It's good. At
Aarti
least
ma'am
we have to
always
try.
motivates
Then
others.
only we will understand. We have to believe ourselves that we can do it. That is the main part. Okay, everyone can do it. If I can do it, you can also do it. You are also same. You are also born with the same capacities, capabilities. We need to identify all these things. That's it. Nobody is going to stop you, and nobody will think anything about you. So don't worry at all. You just think of yourself. Whenever you listen to someone, do you even think why they are asking so, why they are talking so? No, you just have to listen. So the same, when you speak also, the other will also listen to you. So that confidence we have to develop. All right. So confidence will come only with the experience. Once you start doing the thing, then only you will get the experience of it. So only experience will make you more confident. Working with the kids, working with all the activities, trying new methods every day. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sandeep ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you so much, Pooja ma'am, also again.
Thank you, Sandeep ma'am. Good session.
For supporting me
Thank
with
you,
all
ma'am.
the sessions. Yes, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
If
ma'am.
you have any
Bye-bye,
questions,
all.
then you
Thanks
can.
a lot,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
we'll quit.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a good day, all of you.
Same here. Wish you the same. Bye.
Bye.